In a world of mass produced plastic and fast fashion that ends up in a landfill, there is something incredibly rebellious about the click of crochet hook. Think about a single strand of yarn, a little bit of time, and suddenly you have created a piece of wearable art that someone will use to frame their face on their wedding day, their first date, or a just cozy Sunday morning. If you have been sitting on a pile of yarn and a dream of opening on Etsy and Shopify store, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the ultimate inspiration gallery for crochet hair accessories. From category dreams to high fashion statement pieces, Trendy to turn scrollers into shoppers. First up, let's talk about Kyoto aesthetic. The trend is exploding on Shopify right now. We are talking oversized floppy bows made from silk blend yarn or lightweight bamboo. Don't just think flat, think about texture, adding a delicate peacock border or integrating tiny pearls directly into your stitches. Add that luxury feel that justify a high price point. When listing these keywords like handmade bridal, category style or Victorian inspired, these aren't just their hair ties, they are heirlooms. Next, we are throwing it back. The 90s and Y2K revival is still the king of its searches. This is where your scrap yarn becomes gold. Crochet a small rectangle panel and adhere it to a strand plastic clip to give it an instant design upgrade. These are the ultimate accessory. Focus on granny squares design. These are iconic, breathable, and look amazing. Not every customer wants a giant bow. Some want clean girl aesthetic. This is where velvet scrunchies and minimalist headbands come in. Using velvet yarn or Chanel yarn makes a simple double crochet look expensive and feel incredibly soft on their hair, which is a huge selling point for those worried about breakage. Focus on neutral collection, creams, beige, charcoals, and sage greens. These are the bread and butter items of your shop, the one people buy in multiple because they go with every outfit. If you want to stand out, go 3D. Micro crochet is a massive trend. Small succulent clips, trailing EV vines that wrap around a braid, or the ever popular strawberry hair tie. These items photograph beautifully, marketing them Instagrammable or TikTok viral material. When you sell these, you aren't just selling a clip, you are selling a personality. You are selling the plant mom or the forest fairy vibe. The difference between a hobby or a business is representation. As you look through these designs, imagine how they will look in branded box with a sprig of dried lavenders. Whether you are opening your Shopify for the first time or refreshing your Etsy SEO, remember your work has value because your hands made it.